Hey guys, and welcome back to another Filmora Wondershare lesson from our course. Great to have you here, guys. So right now we're going to talk about overlays. Let's enter Filmora and talk about overlays. Let's go back to our project that we use all the time. We got the video right here, and of course overlays are right here already opened because I have that set it up. So overlays are located right under filters in this section right here. So all of these effects and all of these options that we have are located right here in this section of the course that we're going through right now. So these are overlays. So overlays will stylize a little bit your video, but it's not something that Filmora has spent much time on it by working on it, and it's not something that I personally like to use, but you will maybe like to use them and they will come in handy for you. So I will introduce you to overlays. There are a couple of cool overlays, but not many right here. So let me show it to you. Overlays are located right here with these two squares, and you have a lot of overlays right here to select from. Of course, as every other thing right here, you have some of them to buy in the FX store online. And right here we have these let's say this cool one, as you can see. So it's really not something I would enjoy adding to my videos. I don't find this good looking into the videos, but there are some of these that are actually really usable. For example, this one, VHS distortion, I'm sorry. This is pretty good for small effects that are happening, like in music videos, for example. You can zoom this in to last pretty pretty quick. So another thing that I want to mention about overlays is once you add them, you can edit them only with their visual effects. So if you add any of these, like this bouquet right here, if you add this and double click it, you will only have this alpha option right here to increase the opacity or to get it down. It's usually on 100%. But as you can see, this is not something that I would enjoy adding to my videos. It's not really appealing to the spectator's eye, so let's delete this. But there are actually some of these are really cool and usable. So the cinematic ones, the light ones, and the VHS ones right here. The static is also pretty cool. You can use these in a lot of music videos or Instagram videos or traveling videos also. They are really cool to be set it up as an 1 to 2 seconds effect for our videos. So let's, of course you won't be able to see this one because we already have black bars at the top, but if you're trying to make your video look cinematic with black bars, this is the right option for you. This overlay, the last one, cinematic 21:9, and we have a lot of lights right here. So as I mentioned in our previous lesson, this is actually this drone footage that I'm using right now is not the right video for this because we have these black bars right here, and once we add the effect is crossing over them, so we don't want that in our video. So I would recommend you to go to the crop option right here and make it go without these black bars. So of course we have the same option, adding to favorite, and of course play around with this, try to find the one that fits best for you. I'm telling you, the ones that are the best ones are the lights and the TV statics right here. So yeah, that will be it, and let me show you a couple of these from TV static. These are really cool for YouTube videos. I see a lot of YouTubers use these in their YouTube videos. So this one, for example, strong glitch. Watch this. Yeah, really cool effect. They make this look great. But some of these out of TV static, like these other ones, like lens flares, all film and stuff like that. To me personally, they are bad. I'm sorry, but yeah, they're just bad. This is also pretty usable when it comes to music videos, but this can be only used as a one-time effect. And these are like the shapes of the cameras that you see once you start using it. But trust me, the TV static ones are the only ones I would recommend you to use and to test out and to work with. But the sad thing when it comes to this is once you go in, you only have this alpha option. But hey, that's what it is. So there is not much to discuss about overlay since we have no more options, and it's really easy to use. Test these TV static ones out, and that will be it, guys. I'm out.